Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what we have seen since previous years, the price of Bitcoin was in a range. Okay, as soon as people getting informed about it, we have seen a rise. People has made money at this particular time also, where some of the people know about it, and then when people started making money, that this is the point where most of the people knows about it. Okay, so awareness has come, and then the price of Bitcoin has rise so much because of the investment it has come with. Okay, and if you have look all other Dogecoins and all, you will see that people started investing after this particular knowledge has come to them. Okay, so any doubt regarding this crypto or any other commodities of forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will be able to understand how this technical is working in any crypto or other commodities. Okay, and you can join my Telegram also, link I have given in the description. See, now look at the chart. For a period of time it was in this range, and from there it was in this particular range. Okay, it is around 3 years, you can see, after this particular range. Okay, and this is for a longer period. Okay, now if you look at the chart, what we have seen, twice high it has gone. Okay, a level of 65,347 and then made a high of around 69,137. After that it is continuously in the downside. Okay, because of there are some problems arising and all things are happening, that is why we have seen continuous downtrend. So what we can see looking in the Bitcoin, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see Bitcoin can go to a level of 28,440, and then we can see it can touch a level of 27,497, and this also level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 25,286. Okay, and once this level breaks downside, because this is a strong support, has not been tested here, but so probability will be high, we can see a bounce back here. Okay, so if this level breaks downside, then we can see a towards a level of 19,924, and from there we can see a level of 17,716. But suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a probability to towards an upside and can touch a level of, we can see 30,018, and from there we can see a level of 32,837. Once this level sustain, then we can see a further upside towards a level of 40,112, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 41,689. Okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 48,313, and once this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 50,521. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 53,360, and once the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside. Keep this in mind, if the price goes above a level of 52,2k, then you have to understand that probability will be high. We can see a level of 59,038, and this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be very high. We can see a level of 61,561, and then further upside. But if we talk about Dogecoin, that looking at the chart, that Dogecoin is also continuously trading downside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can come down to a level of 0.0683. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.0481. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 0.0279. but suppose if the price sustain this particular level of Dogecoin, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.1409, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.1530. okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see a probability of touching 0.111772. okay, and this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be high. We can see further upside towards a level of 0.2176. okay, and then further upside. But if we talk about Ethereum, we can see a chart towards downside after December 21. okay, we have seen continuous downside. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 1953. okay, once this particular level goes downside, then we can see a probability towards more down, that is around 1753. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1703. okay, and this 17, keep this in mind, if it comes close to this level 1703, we can see it can move further downside and can touch a level of 1486, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1269. Okay, and then further down. Okay, but suppose if the price, again I repeat, if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1970, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see a further down towards a level of 1719, and from there we can see a level of 1486, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1235. But suppose if this level sustain in Ethereum, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 2537. Okay, and if the level sustain upside, then we can see it can move to a level of 2788. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 2888, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 2955. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 3288. Okay, and then further upside we can see. Okay, if we look at for the Litecoin, what we have seen that since 2021, the low of January 2021, you can say, is around 67.97. okay, the low has already been broken and made a low of around you can say 53.994. okay, and suppose if that level also didn't sustain, if it this level, what it is around 68, which is a strong support, if this level didn't sustain, we can see level of 59. okay, it can move down to a level of 59.987, and from there we can see a level of 49.558. okay, before that, if it crosses the level of 53, then further down we can see a level of 48, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 42 also. Suppose this 42 level didn't sustain, then we can see a probability of touching 26 is high. But suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see a level of 79.967. okay, and from there we can see a level of 83.963. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 93.952, and this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be high. okay, probability will be high, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 125.919. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see it can move further upside from there we can see a level of 143. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. okay, and I teach technical and fundamental analysis. If you want to attend the workshop, you can mail me regarding this and we can work out on it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please